there, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how to draw a succulent. So let's begin. Here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw the succulent. At the beginning, I'm drawing its tub. Okay, now let's draw the succulent. Here's its big eyes. Let's draw its eyeballs. It has some cute eyelashes. Here's its eyebrow. Wow, the succulent is smiling. Here's its dangerous thorn. Let's draw some pebbles. And I'm coloring the soil with black. Let's start coloring. I'm using green. Now I'm using cyan. Brown color for the tub. I'm using cyan again. Wow, it's looking really cute. So let's draw some hearts. I'm using red. It's already looking cute, but still, let's draw some freckles. Aww, it's really pretty. And this is how you can draw a succulent within few minutes. Thank you so much for watching.